Bonjour. There are only two genders in the French language, masculine or feminine. No neutral, like in German, for example. You can have un fromage, masculine, une baguette, feminine. The reason is often historical. For example, due to the Latin heritage. Native speakers generally know the gender intuitively due to experience and existing rules. Here is one of these rules. Nouns that end with âge, like un fromage, are often masculine. For example, un voyage, un bagage, un garage, un message. Nouns that end with et are often feminine. For example, une baguette, féminine. Une crevette. Une serviette. Une assiette. When you learn a new French noun, it will be related with its article, un ou une. This article indicates you whether the noun is feminine or masculine. Better if you learn it directly each time you learn a new French word. It will progressively become intuitive for you. As a summary, with the learning of articles associated to nouns, the rules will make more sense to you and become more intuitive for you too. Are you ready to practice? Let's speak French. Repeat these 4 nouns with the associated article. Un message, message. Un garage, 2 feminine words. Une baguette. Une assiette. That's it. Bien joué. Practice it again and see you next week.